What's going on, guys? Life checking here. This is just a real quick hardware quickie. I'm replacing the inner and outer tie rad-ins on my Integra because I do every year pretty much. Want to show you guys the differences between kind of like a cheaper no-name one. I'm not sure if it's actually Honda or not. I'm not sure. I ordered just some used knuckles online, like off of a Integra. Spares, my friends. Things are hard on those cars. Spares. And the guy sent the entire inner and outer with it, so just figured out to show the differences between what I consider to be a quality Moog one and I don't know if this is like just a no name or whatever it is. Alright, so you can see right there's quite a bit of difference in the thickness of those. I'll post that up right now. Looks like it is about 497. And that's about in the same plane as that. If I can get this to be closer. The thinnest point. This one is 582 at the thinnest point. Also, some of you may notice that the boot is better, so if you actually have to take it out and you have to use a pickle fork on the side of the road, don't do it. Track Midwest hates you for it. You have to actually be careful not to tear your boot. But if you do tear your boot, you can also put more grease in because it has a Zerk fitting, which is actually in the box. I have to insert it. See here, it has a cotter pin hole for that there. So, keeps your nut from backing off. This one that I got used or off of whatever car, they don't look horrible. I mean, I guess. I don't know. I don't really feel like there's any play in them. But this one, as you can see, has no cotter pin, pretty thin boot. Also, no Zerk fitting. So, yeah, the inner doesn't look horrible either. But hey, it is what it is. Also, so with that said, make sure you go out and get your Moog problem solver steering suspension components. I believe they actually come with a lifetime warranty too, so that's actually pretty good. I use them on NASCARs. Go figure. Mainly the right one, because they go left. Never mind. Anyway, like I said, SK out. One.